Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a trade that I recently placed and alerted to our members here at thetradinganalyst.com. And the idea here is for you to learn from this process of how to keep losses small. So we lost on this trade, but it was a very small loss, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, and hopefully you can learn a thing or two by watching this trade review. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis that we give to you and trade reviews like the one that I'm about to show you right now, then you're going to love the membership at thetradinganalyst.com, because these videos are nothing in comparison to the membership you get once you sign up with your free 7-day trial. Once you sign up with that free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you with your trading. All right, so let's take a look at this Alibaba trade here. We were looking for a bounce on Alibaba. We got a nice move up on the day. We got a gap up here. Here was the previous day's close. So this is today's action on the 15-minute chart. Okay, 15-minute chart right here, today's action. So this was the close of yesterday right here. So we gapped up. This is the open of the day right here. Made a high right here, and then came back down, and really we have quite a bit of support right here from this sideways trading. You can see this was the previous day's open right there, and you can see this is right around where we're getting a lot of trading. You can see right here we had some resistance coming into that level right there all of yesterday, so we broke over that level here today. So now we came back into this level. We're looking for a bounce. That's what we got. You can see this little washout low, and then this next candle closed over the high of that previous candle. So that was our signal right here, and we entered right here on this candle on the retrace lower, because 9 times out of 10 the move doesn't go straight up. So this, while this was the signal, we wait for a slight retrace after this candle closes. So we got that, and we entered in right around here on Alibaba. And our signals that we get are very good at, and I don't explain the entire signal here, and that is because it's only for members only, but hopefully you can learn enough from this so that you can recreate it on your own. So our signal and our system here is very accurate at predicting the low of the day. So we got that low of the day right here, and as you can see, while it didn't really break out, it didn't break this low. So that was the low of the day right there. Okay, so we alerted some calls right here on this candle, and we entered in right here. Trade alert, BABA weekly 152.50 strike calls at 155. So that was this week, expiring on Friday. 155 was the price we got in. We were looking for a breakout on Alibaba. So we got in here near the low of the day, tried to move up, but ended up just kind of getting rejected here against this trend line right there. We were looking for that break over the trend line and then over the open, but it ended up pretty much just trading sideways on the day. Nothing more really to say about that. And we ended up exiting the trade just before the close, right around here, as it made the high on this candle at about 3:45, about 3:30 p.m. here Eastern time, and we alerted those calls here all out of the BABA calls at 152. So that was a very small loss. In at 155, out at 152, essentially break even minus the commission costs. And our system, again, is very, very good at calling the low of the day, but it doesn't always produce a big move up. So while this ended up being the low of the day, we didn't really get a big move up. So that happens. That definitely happens sometimes. But the idea here is, even on our losers, they're very, very small. So this is a very small loss. And that's what you want to do, is keep your losses very small. There's a 3-cent loss on those options. Super, super small. And when you're trading, that's what you want to do. You keep your losses very, very small. So find a system that works for you, that is a low risk, high reward setup. That's what we do at the Trading Analyst. So find something that works for you. It doesn't have to be exactly this kind of a trading setup. It could be anything you want. But the idea here is for you to keep your losses very small. You don't want to be buying up here and then your stop is down here. That's too wide of a range. So just to let you know, our stop was the low of the day. So a very small range here, and would have been a very small loss had we gotten a failed signal. So I wouldn't really call this a failed signal. I would just say it just didn't break out like we wanted to, because the failed signals are when the low of the day breaks. That's the stop right there. But our stop was never hit. But this was a day trade, so we closed before the day, regardless of what happens. So hopefully you guys learned something from that video, and will take these lessons into your own trading profitably. Again, if you're not already a member, visit us on the home page and get to know us a little bit better. If you like these free videos and trade analysis that we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing in comparison to the membership you get at thetradinganalyst.com once you sign up with your free 7-day trial. Once you sign up with that free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to profitable and smart trade alerts like the one that you just saw today on that Alibaba weekly call alert. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you with your trading.